Bangladesh's rising potential in Latin America. Bangladesh is making significant strides in expanding its market presence in Latin America, a region that offers vast potential for growth. In the fiscal year 2022 to 2023, Bangladesh's exports to Latin America surged by 20.51%, reaching $621.27 million. This impressive growth highlights the increasing demand for Bangladeshi products, particularly ready-made garments, pharmaceuticals, jute products, and leather goods. Latin America, with its diverse economies spanning major players like Brazil and Argentina to emerging markets like Chile and Peru, presents Bangladesh with a range of opportunities to explore and expand. Diplomatic ties are also strengthening. Brazil and Argentina's decision to establish embassies in Bangladesh underscores a mutual commitment to boosting trade and fostering bilateral relationships. These strategic moves open doors for trade agreements and smoother market access, setting the stage for enhanced collaboration. Additionally, the economic recovery post-COVID and the ongoing geopolitical tensions, such as the Russia-Ukraine conflict, have prompted Bangladesh to diversify its export markets, reducing its reliance on traditional destinations like the EU and the US. Latin America also offers a gateway to the BRICS markets, particularly through Brazil, a key member of the bloc. Strengthening ties with the region could unlock new opportunities for trade and investment, further integrating Bangladesh into the global economy. However, challenges remain, including logistical hurdles, trade regulations, and language barriers. Improving port infrastructure and customs procedures will be crucial in overcoming these obstacles. Moreover, raising awareness about the quality and affordability of Bangladeshi products through targeted marketing strategies is essential for successful market penetration. The time is ripe for Bangladesh to deepen its engagement with Latin America. By addressing challenges and leveraging growing trade volumes and strategic relationships, Bangladesh stands poised to unlock a promising new chapter in its global trade journey.